In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reference image in Leonardo AI, whether you're aiming to match a specific pose, mood, or design language. A reference image lets the model understand the look you have in mind, so your results land much closer to your vision. First, head to Leonardo AI, log into your account, and open the image generation page. This is the workspace where you'll write your prompt, pick settings, and see previews of your outputs. Next, locate the control that lets you attach a visual guide. Depending on the current interface, this may be labeled Image Guidance, Reference Image, or Image to Image, and you'll typically find it in the left or side panel. Expand that section so the uploader and sliders are visible. Now upload your reference. Click Upload Image, then choose a picture from your device. Clear, well-lit images with a single obvious subject tend to guide the model best. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Higher resolution helps, but you don't need a massive file. If your image contains private or protected content, make sure you have permission to use it. With the image loaded, adjust how strongly Leonardo should follow it. You'll see a slider named something like Strength, Image Weight, or Guidance Scale. Lower values give the model more creative freedom to interpret your prompt. Higher values push the output to stay closer to your source's composition and style. A good starting point is the middle of the range. If your results drift too far, nudge the slider up. If they feel locked to the photo, ease it down. Add your text prompt to tell the model exactly what to create. Keep it concise but descriptive, focusing on subject, style, lighting, materials, and mood. For example, cinematic portrait, soft lighting, ultra realistic. Your prompt and your image work together. The image sets structure, while the words steer aesthetics and details. When you're ready, click Generate. Leonardo will produce an image that respects the style or structure of your reference while following your prompt. Review the result and iterate. Small tweaks to the prompt or the strength setting can make a big difference. If the pose is right but the style is off, raise descriptive terms in your prompt. If the style matches but composition wobbles, increase the image influence slightly. That's it. With a thoughtful prompt and the right guidance strength, your reference image becomes a powerful creative compass in Leonardo AI.